Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm diving into something super exciting for all you Salesforce developers out there. We're unlocking the power of Visualforce in Salesforce. Let's get started. First up, what exactly is Visualforce? Visualforce is a powerful web development framework designed specifically for building custom user interfaces in Salesforce for both mobile and desktop applications. Think of it like this. You can create apps that look and feel like the Lightning experience but tailored to your specific needs. Using server-side standard controllers, Visualforce handles database operations like querying and saving. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with various web technologies and JavaScript frameworks to provide rich user experiences. And the best part? Each Visualforce page gets its own unique URL. Now let's talk about the Visualforce architecture. Visualforce follows the Model View Controller, or MVC pattern. This architecture has two main components. First, we have the Visualforce markup. This includes Visualforce tags, HTML, JavaScript, and other web-enabled code, all wrapped within tags. It defines what you see on the screen. Next, we have the Visualforce controller. This is where the instructions for how users interact with the page components live. There are two types of controllers, custom controllers and standard controllers. So why should you use Visualforce? Here are some key benefits. Visualforce is concise and auto-upgradable. It requires less code than the older S controls and automatically upgrades with Salesforce platform updates. Because it follows the MVC architecture, it keeps your development organized by separating the view from the controller. It also integrates well with web technologies like HTML, JavaScript, and Flash, and it supports Lightning Platform merge fields and expressions. Visualforce components are data-driven, meaning they adapt intelligently, for example, and adapts based on the field type. Plus, the development experience is user-friendly with real-time editing, preview, auto-completion, syntax highlighting, and quick fixes in the editor. Before we wrap up, here's a little call to action for you. If you want to dive deeper into Salesforce development, check out Vendor 4S Tech for comprehensive training. They offer a free trial, certification courses, mock exams, and hands-on labs to get you up to speed. Alright, that's it for today's video on Visualforce in Salesforce. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.